front tire is a little more involved. There's a little notch where you put your scissor jack from your trunk on, then you jack it up that way. As far as spraying down the rubber, there's a lot more in the front. I'll show you that once I get the wheel off. That was a first. Nope, stuck in there. Oops. I really need a tripod. Yes. All four of them were stuck because they didn't rotate them last time. Now for spraying this, first thing you want to do is the upper strut mount, which is underneath here. Just lift that up. I can't spray and show you at the same time, but get inside there where the rubber is. And then that boot, you want to do the whole thing. This stuff won't hurt any metal, so if you overspray, don't worry about it. Then you want to do your sway bar control links. Top and bottom. And your drive shaft boot. Steering boot. Your sway bar bushing, control arm bushing. Right there. Here's our control arm bushing. Your inner drive boot, steering bushing, and your lower ball joint. And that's about all you can do. Just get them nice and wet. And that'll keep them, this stuff will keep them nice and supple and not dry out on you. And they should last a lot longer. Because usually the death of these rubber components is drying out and cracking, and then once they crack, the grease gets out, or, oh yeah, I guess the grease would get out of everything except for the dust cover on the strut. But you don't want dirt, water, snow, salt getting in there, because it'll ruin the piston. So keep that nice and fresh. And I won't bother showing you putting the wheel back on. You should know how to do that. And that's it.